Right, hi everyone, I am back with the new weekly, it's the giveaway game, it's the new one that I'm doing. And if you watched the video yesterday, you've took part, you've left a comment, and I said that one of you will be picked at random. So I'm using the random picker. I've put the YouTube thingy in, so let's see. Now the sun is sort of shining on the thing, so let's see if we can see who our first contestant's going to be. And the winner is Joanne Sanderson. So Joanne, you are the first person who's got through. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch cameras over to my workspace and tell you what you have to do next. So well done, Joanne, and hold tight. Right, okay, I am back. So we have picked our first contestant to take part in our new giveaway fun game. So it's lots of fun. These are things that I showed you yesterday. Sorry, I had a puff, I just ran up the stairs. So these were the things that Joshua showed yesterday. So if you didn't see them properly, there's some gorgeous diamante flowers, there's some pearl trim, some of this fun tassel sort of trim, some little pockets are made, and a lovely little booklet made from vintage paper. Now, as you can see, there is another pile here. That's because Joanne, who's just been picked to take part, needs to go to yesterday's video, and there are 15 of you that took part. And so obviously now there's 14 because Joanne is playing. Now, Joanne, I need for you to pick someone to be your teammate. And you'll see there's another pile of goodies here. Now, there are two. And this is how it's going to work. So Joanne needs to pick someone else to take part. And then you will both be given questions. You get a different question every time. And if you get it right, more things will be added to both of your piles. So if Joanne gets the question right, she will not just win some goodies for one pile, she'll win goodies for the next pile as well. And the other contestant will as well. Now, you get one lifeline, so if you get a question wrong, you do get another go. If you get two wrong, then you'll stop playing. But the other contestant can continue if she keeps getting them right, or he keeps getting the questions right. We'll get more things added to the piles and so on. So that's how it's going to play for now. So Joanne, you need to pick another person for me, and then I will be back to give you both questions to answer. And like I said, you get to add goodies to the pile. Now, the person who's in for the longest will get to pick which pile they want, and the other contestant will get the other pile. Everyone else who didn't get through, you can still take part just for fun and see how many questions you can get right. And I'll tell you at the end of this competition who got the most questions right out of all of you. And there may be an extra prize given in there. So it is in your interest to take part just for fun. And let's see what happens. So Joanne, please let me know who you want to pick for your teammate, and then I will be back to ask you some questions. I have lots all ready for you. So I will see you all very soon, and the quicker you get back to me with who you want, we can get started. And then the quicker you answer your questions, the more don't you eat the flowers, more fun we can have. You're naughty. And I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.